What social media platforms do you use the most? You can choose up to 3.
Facebook, then TikTok at saka Instagram.
Why do you like using these social media platforms?
Pero Tagalog.
Yeah.
Nagugustuhan ko naman talaga gamitin yung mga social media na platform sa because nakakapag-socialize nga ako sa ibang tao and ginagawa ko silang parang entertainment na uses.
Okay, what benefits do you get from using them? These are the examples.
Yung yun nga, parang communication nga sa iba't ibang tao. And nagbe-benefit ako dahil doon ako nakakuha ng mga iba't ibang information tungkol sa mga iba't ibang topics na kailangan natin alamin.
What the challenges or problem do you face when using them? Say examples.
Mga challenges naman dito is yung fake news, then yung mga cyberbullying na nangyayari talaga, then yung pinaka sagabal talaga yung mabagal na internet par.
Ito na. Thank you. Okay, what social media platforms do you use the most?
Yung tatlo sa mga platforms na ginagamit ko madalas ay TikTok, Messenger at Discord.
Okay. Why do you like using these social media platforms?
Wala lang, para may mga kausap ako. Tapos minsan naman sa Discord, doon ako tawag mo dito, pag related sa laro, kagaya man ng mga announcement o trading, doon ako nagamit.
Okay. What benefits do you get from using them?
Karamihan naman talaga pang communication ang ginagamit ko dito kanila. Pero ginagamit ko rin sila panlibangan man, magre-research. Yun lang.
Okay. What challenges or problems do you face when using them?
Ang karamihang challenge ko dito ay minsan pag mga mag-e-exam na, nakaka-distract talaga sila. Parang mapapadoom scroll ka na lang imbes na kayo mag-aral. Pero makakatulong pa din sila kung tama mo silang gagamitin.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, what social media platforms do you use the most? You can choose up to 3.
Up to 3. I would say Facebook, TikTok, at Line.
Okay. Why do you like using these social media platforms?
Because, it helps me contact with people that are far away, like my girlfriend or my cousin in another country as well. And my girlfriend's in Taiwan, right? So, yeah.
Okay.
Using these apps help me communicate with them efficiently every day.
What benefits do you get from using them?
Well, of course, a good example is communication, but at the same time, I would say entertainment.
Okay.
So, yeah.
What challenges or problems do you face when using them?
Well, I would say most of the time, the problem is distraction. Especially with TikTok.
Okay.
But with Facebook and Line, I wouldn't say it's actually very beneficial. But with TikTok, that's the main issue. It can be a bit distracting.
Thank you. Okay, what social media platforms do you use the most? You can choose up to 3.
TikTok, Messenger, and YouTube.
Oh, why do you like using these social media platforms? Why do you like? Bakit gusto?
Pag sa YouTube, dito ako nanonood ng mga tutorials kung paano magawa ng problem solvings. Sa TikTok naman, dito ako nanonood para maglibang-libang. Pag sa Messenger, dito naman para makipag-contact sa mga kaibigan.
Okay. What benefits do you get from using them? Benefits?
I can learn through online videos and connect with my friends from far away.
What challenges or problems do you face when using them?
Weak internet connection and
I have an example.
Ano subject ngayon before this?
distractions.
And
Cyberbullying.
okay, thank you.